Today I'm not going to talk about machines, but the mysterious place where all of your machines come from, the factory. Here is our Ricoh factory, and let me give you a personalized tour. Please come on. So here is the exhibitional room, and you see we have a lot of office Ricoh machines. And over there you see production machines. So what I'm going to do today is to show you step by step the remanufacture process. So let's go. I'm very happy to do this tour for you because you are not maybe in China, you're in Africa, you're in South America, you are elsewhere in the world, but I can still do this virtual tour for you. But even if it's online, it is just very real. So here you have machines that are not refurbished yet, and it's very impressive. You have basically everything, right? You have office machines, and also even for the presses, there are so many of them, the black and white ones, the color ones, how they look like. For example, like this one. So this is a color Ricoh press, and what you can see here is that there's barely a scratch on the machine, while it's still not refurbished. Yeah, it's not refurbished yet, but it's still in a very good condition. That's because we have very strict choosing standard. And now we are heading to the workshop where machines are remanufactured. Yes, on the door we still have some Chinese New Year atmosphere stuff. It's the horse year this year. Many cute stuff like this. Look at this horse. So here's the first step. This is the place where we clean our machines. So we disassemble machines to clean the inside of it. And then we come here to the assembly room. And in this room, they are all very experienced engineers, and I can say that they are the best engineers in China. For example, here our engineer Mr. Feng is dealing with this Ricoh Pro C9500, which is a very recent and powerful model. Let me just interview one person randomly. Hello?
Hello.
What's your name?
Feng Yu.
Feng Yu. And how many years have you been working in this field?
这个就听不太清楚。
就是您在这个行业从事多少年了？
从事16年了。
Okay, he said he's been working in this area for more than 16 years. 那你觉得就是修机器难吗？
修打印机是非常简单，这个。
Okay, he said it's super easy to fix copiers. Okay, he must be a very experienced and professional engineer. And over there are many small machines. Please look at the ground too. Actually, it's super clean. I would not think that this is a factory actually. I would say that this is like an artistic workshop. You can feel the respect that people pay to their work, to the machines, just from the state of the floor. You see, there's barely a gram of dust on it. And then after assembling, after cleaning, those engineers will operate several tests actually on the machines to make sure that whether the outfit of it or the function of it is comparable 90% to a real new machine. So after all this, it's time to deliver, and they would wrap machines like this. And then there will be a packaging that perfectly meets the international commercial standards with a wooden box. And here is the warehouse for consumable and spare parts. And you can see that here there are a lot of consumable and spare parts. They are all labeled and pretty well arranged. So you don't need to be worried about getting lost here. And then I will show you the office area. over there. Paperwork, office work here. So anyway, this is the content for today, and thank you very much for watching. We genuinely welcome you to visit us in China, and if you cannot come, I hope that this video helped you to get a real sense of our factory and our working process. Thank you and see you next time.